Hi Ryan, my name is Brooke. I'm with Snowdrop Digital Marketing. In this video, I'm going to show you a few tips and tricks on how you can enhance your online presence. Um, a couple of these tips are going to require a website. Now, a website isn't just there to look pretty or represent your company. The whole point of having a website is to build trust with customers and to generate your own exclusive leads for your business. This way, you don't have to completely rely on Home Advisor or Angie's List because they don't just sell you one lead, they sell that same lead to two or three other competitors in your area, and then you have to compete for it. Um, at that point, you're out of what, $30 just to get an unqualified lead that's already gone with another competitor. Okay, so these three things are going to optimize your website for Google if you decide on getting one. They will enhance your platform to convert more customers and it will get more traffic to your website each month. The three things we're going to talk about is content, citations, and backlinks. Um, the only way that I found your company is with Facebook. You're really missing out with the GMB, or you can go into Google and type Google My Business and create your own GMB profile. Make sure it's completely filled out. And one of the things that Google uses to rank you is called a citation. A citation is a direct reference for your company's name, phone number, and address. You can get these on Facebook, Yelp, LinkedIn, Yellow Pages. The more citations you have, the better. And you don't want to stop at how many citations Royal Fence has. You want to beat them by at least 50 or even 100 to really dominate them in the GMB. Top three spots is what gets the most traffic when people are looking for a fencing company in Olathe, Kansas, or wherever you're located. Um, so 30% of your business should come from your GMB. The remaining 70% should come from the organic listing. Um, since we do not have a website of yours to compare or look at what statistics we are bringing, I'm going to show you the top three companies. The second one is not a local company, but they do service Olathe. They are a international company. I'm going to show you what the value of having a very well built website optimized for Google and marketing can bring you. I'm not sure if you want to grow your business as much as they did, but this will definitely help you get more sustained and not have to rely on the leads on Angie's List that aren't very qualified. Yes, they are great leads, but it would be nice not to have to compete. Okay, so here is Heartland Fence. They are ranked number one in the organic listings and they have a fair amount of information on their page. This is a web crawling tool called Ahrefs. It is not a free tool, but it will give us a better idea of what's going on under the hood and what kind of traffic we're looking at. If you have a Google Analytics account, that will give you much more accurate information. But the Google Analytics will only show you your website, not your competition's website. All right, so here's Heartland Fence. They have a low power and a high trust rating. They are being found for 48 keywords and they are getting 45 people to their website each month. 30% of those 45 people are converted into real leads as long as they can follow through with their sales position. They are not getting the most qualified backlinks. So a backlink is like a popularity contest on Google. It's where other websites are referencing your website for business. Not all backlinks are created equal, so you want to go for quality over quantity, and it has to be relevant to the services that you provide. Um, the next thing we're going to talk about is content. This is the international company that services Olathe as well as many, many others. So they have a whole bunch of content. That's the everything that you see on the page. The words, the images, what the image is saved as, and even the space behind the image. When you have a website, Google prefers that you have at least 1,500 words on the home page, and they want your keywords to be sprinkled throughout that information so that it flows and you're not keyword stuffing and getting as much as you can in there because then it won't really make sense. Um, this is just one of their back pages. Their homepage has so much power, they have to put in little to no effort to get their back page ranked in Olathe. I'm showing you this information because it is very easily achievable for us to get you ranked number one, um, and get you all of these customers in. So they are getting 14 people each month just off of a back page that they don't have to put much effort in. If I take the back page away and look at their main URL, this is what a good website and good marketing strategy will bring you. They are getting 45,000 people on their website each month. Okay, and then here is Aletha Fencing. They are ranked number 3 in the organic GMB. It's really, really important that you have the submission form front and center. That way people can easily get in contact with you and your company. All right. And they are getting 22 people on their website each month. They have a low power and a low trust rating, so they again are not getting the most qualified backlinks. Um, so if you have any questions or if you have decided that I have a lot to offer you and your company and you want to see what it will take to grow your business, feel free to reach out and we can schedule a short phone call to see if we would be a good fit. All right. Thanks for watching the video, Ryan. You have a great day.